This has got to be too good to be true.
And they're very painful.
Wow.
And the only thing that has actually worked is this straw. So I'm gonna drink it now.
Please let it work.
No hiccups.
Wow. That's crazy.
All right, I caved. I got one. This was on a flash sale and I picked one up because I know how annoying hiccups are. Now someone tell me a joke so I can laugh. While I'm waiting for your humor, I'm gonna link this here for you below so you can grab this while it's on a flash sale too.